Okay, this is a test for the Smith & Wesson M3000 on its strength. Now, I still haven't tested exactly how much it'll go through, but here's the Canadian Literacy, or Ontario Literacy booklet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages. As you can see, there's already a hole through. And in the second booklet, I folded it in half. There's a hole. Went to here, across the page, and it didn't go through, but it did make a crack. So, yeah, it's a hell of a lot of holes. Just to prove again, remember there's no other holes on here. There.